Let's make Erewhon's viral sushi sandwich, but let's make it into a bowl. Hey there, and welcome into TaylorKitchen, where we show very busy people how to make very delicious food in very little time. And today we're also going to make a very budget-friendly dish, because this is my rendition of Erewhon's viral sushi sandwich. If you haven't seen it yet, you have to look it up. Erewhon is this exclusive luxe store that people make all kinds of funny videos about, because you go in and you pay $8 for 2 grapes or some random thing like that. And I had to look up ChatGPT, how much is Erewhon's viral sushi sandwich? And they're telling me it's between $20 and $21. And I think I can even get a picture of it for you. There is a picture of it. But the cool thing about this sandwich, and I'm all for this, is that the crust is crispy rice. So I'm using rice that I just cooked, and I'm gonna do mine in a waffle iron because I think it's the easiest way for me to get nice crispy rice. And I'm just gonna spray this. And then I'm going to put my rice in the waffle iron and kind of let it do its thing while I make everything else. Let's see if I can get scoop in here. Oh yeah. Tuck it down a wee bit and let it crisp up. Okay, while I do that, of course, we need a little sriracha mayo. And so I use chosen mayo, and there's a decent amount of sriracha. Actually, I want a little bit of honey with this too. I like my sriracha mayo to have just a slightly sweet vibe to it. Spicy and sweet, just so good together. This is not going to cost me $20 to make one. And I'm gonna do mine kind of open faced, you know, because we're always trying to conserve on the carbs. Okay, let's start with my fish. And I just have leftover salmon. You're gonna boo hiss me, but I don't like sushi. It's just a texture thing with me, it's no big deal. But, so this is cooked salmon that I had the other day, and I'm just gonna kind of shred it in here a little. And then I just wanna mix it with a little bit of my sriracha mayo. I don't want it to be super coated. I don't like things that are like overly creamy with mayo. So a light touch here is what I'll use. And just give that a little mix. So that's gonna go on the crispy rice. Let's take a peek, if I can. Ooh, okay, they're getting there. Then I need to cut up a few things that are going to go on the top. I usually have sliced cucumber. I'll slice and keep it in one of these reusable bags. And so I'm just going to take those and kind of matchstick them a little bit. And I also have some radish. You can use a mandolin or just as thinly as you can, slice them up. And honestly, any veg that you like to use in this will work. I just love the reddish pink of the radish and then that green of the cuke. I love a nice peppery radish. They're so delicious. They're really good roasted too. If you've never roasted radishes, you gotta try it. Get a little sweet, a little mellow. They're just so delicious. And I think something like this absolutely needs avocado. And if you have a perfectly ripe avocado and you're not ready to use it yet, submerge it in water and keep it in your fridge. It will keep nice for a couple of weeks. It's the best trick. Then I can just slice my avocado. And another great trick is take a platter, little plate, and I have some water on here. And the water creates a little bit of a barrier and prevents the oxygen from oxygenating your avocado and turning it brown. But I will keep this part in my fridge, and this part I will slice. Another avocado trick is that if your avocado is perfectly ripe, you can actually peel it instead of trying to scoop out the flesh, and you usually get a much nicer piece that way. Just like that one. And then I'm just going to give it some thin slices like so. And you just lay your hand down like that to fan them out. Super easy, right? Hey there, if you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us, and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We love to hear from you. Let us know what you want to see us make on TaylorKitchen. Also, check us out at tkfoodie.com. Hey there, are you a small, medium, or even a large YouTube channel that's still trying to grow your channel? Well then, check out vidIQ. I've been using vidIQ for a couple of years now and they've really helped me. They give you optimal thumbnails, titles, tags, all kinds of tips for engagement, optimal launch times, and things just to help you grow your channel and help that elusive YouTube algorithm pick up your videos and show them to the audience that would be most interested in what you have to offer. And all the hard work that you put into those videos can benefit you. So if you want to know more about vidIQ, just click that link below. Okay. I was getting impatient on the rice. I think it probably needed another 5 minutes, but we're just going to go with it. But it's definitely crisp. And I have some microgreens to put around this. I think that was going to be really good because this will be more like an open face sandwich salad situation for me. And then I'm going to add my salmon. I love salmon. So good for you. I need to place some of the radishes around and some of the cukes around. And if you were doing the sandwich situation, you would pile this all on those rice, crispy rice sheets, rice cakes that you're making. Okay, and then this just goes right on top. Need to squeeze a lime. And just a couple of those cute microgreens on top. You know what it's missing? It's missing some sesame seeds. Before I add those, I want to add a little bit of this sriracha mayo, just kind of around. Just to enhance all those flavors. And then my sesame seeds. Nice. I am happy with that. That's really pretty. Not typically a sandwich like Erewhon serves, but it's going to be so good. Okay, you know, I have to give it a taste. Get some of that crispy rice in there. Really crispy. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Okay. Wow. If you want to give this a try, you can find the recipe on tkfoodie.com. You've got to check this out. Yummy.